Hey friends, if you wish to find out the Wi-Fi password with command prompt, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, I have a command line for you. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste this command here and it will show the profiles which are currently present. I mean, like this one, 8065G. This is the one that I'm using. I will copy this one, this profile. Okay, and I will paste it in the next command which I will also share here. Okay, and then we will copy paste the second command and hit enter. Okay, so the reason it didn't work is because there was a space before 806. I'll try again. See, now it will show the password. Okay, yeah, here's the key content. This is the password. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.